Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your Walgreens app password on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store, depending on whatever device you are on, and search for Walgreens just like that. And click on this application, download and install it onto your device, and now click on Open. Once you've done that, on the top right hand side, there's going to be this person icon. So right beside your card, tap on that and click on sign in. Once you've done that, in order to go ahead and reset your password, just tap on forgot password down here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and enter your email and click on continue. They'll send you a verification code that you'll have to enter it back onto the application, and it will let you create your new password. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.